This is Jim Emter, Ahn Co, Alexandria, Minnesota, with your closing grain and livestock comments for June 7th, 2021. Corn market down 3.5 off the July, up 14.5 off the Sep as the Goldman roll begins here. Bean market down 23.5 up front. New crop November up 4.5. Chicago wheat down 7 3/4. Minneapolis down 27 3/4, and Kansas City down 6.5. So quite the market movements here, folks. What's really to give? Some rain forecasted in North Dakota over the next 3 to 4 days. Got the spring wheat market all up in arms and some liquidation to occur. The GFS model is wettest. The European model is not so wet. So we'll see how the tug of war evolves. But as we look to the corn and bean markets, again, a lot of market movement. Expect this to be the new norm here as we work through the next 4 to 8 week stretch. Weather models are tough to forecast and they're going to change daily. What you really need to lean on is kind of some disciplined structures, and we use stop-in points and marketing targets to create that within these markets. Now, when you look to front month, we continue to see the basis levels falter here, and with the Goldman roll, that's why you're seeing the old crop corn and soybeans struggle here versus a new crop where that's a lot of the attention here as we work ahead is what's the outlook. We do have a crop report this Thursday, and then we've got the June 30th report at month's end, so a lot coming at us here, along with every weather model run and what is China going to do through the whole circumstance. Feeder cattle down 12.5 cents. Live cattle down 60, hog up 150. Hog market kind of pushing higher, trying to see if it can get in this 130, 140 level. It's making good strides at getting there. It may take a little bit, but we'll see how it comes together. But the path of least resistance remains firmer, but one story could change the dynamic. So be attentive, be a marketer, manage risks, but do be aware the path of least resistance for right now is that 130 to 140 level. Feeder cattle, live cattle stuck in the rut, same cash tone, same wishy-washy exports. Domestic demand still, we're seeing packers with big margins and retail shelves not showing much of a discount on your prime meat cuts. So we're just stuck in this rut, and for lack of better terms, we're stuck until we find a hole. This has been Jim Emter, Ahn Co, Alexandria, Minnesota. Trading in futures and options involves risk of loss and is not suitable for all producers. Past performance is not indicative of future results. This is a solicitation. Have a great afternoon.